Lumabas, Sambira, pasok sa baba. Tumira ng Tres Suertes. Numunay, sapal by Postic. Rebound, Dara, libre. Lawan. Drop. Kay Dara, libre. Pass to number 4. Number 4, fake pass. Pass to the coming Amua. Balik sa number 4. Shot roll, no good. Rebound. 2-4. Tayo ng score. 34, Dr. South Boston 11. 11 to the corner 3. Bang! The lockout 2-on-2 situation. Alumon follow slide block. Bullet pass. Floater no good. Rebound number 6. May bumagsak. Bakit kaya? Number 19, Tabangan ng Tolo. Steal by number 8. Gusto niya mag-ilog. Lawan. Drop. Kay Dara, libre. Pasa sa tumat. Rebound by number 15. Gusto tayo. Pasa, bullet pass. For layup. Rebound. Grabe, salto. Lagan. Grabe ka salto. Kondisyon kayo. Number 4. Pass to number 15. Nangitag kabasahan. Pasa sa ilalim. Power move. Kita mo ka-drop. Super layup is blocked. Pass to number 4. Shot lock 10. No. Put back. No good. Rebound by Bulacau 34. Pass to number 12. Pili na tayo. Depensa. Kusog tayo. Kung na lang is no good. Rebound by number 11. Oras, 2 minutos.
17/20.
18-20, 2.3 by Luana. Number 25, pass to number 14. 14, tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 15, put back. No good. Power steal, power slide. Pass to the running number 11. 2-4. Wala. Pass to number 12. Rabador, number 1 coming. Jump shot. No good. Pass to number 12. Number 19, 2-4. Pass to number 4. Number 4, fake pass. Pass to the coming Amua. Balik sa number 4. Shot roll. No good. Rebound. 2-4. Tayo ng score. 34, Dr. South Boston 11. 11 to the corner 3. Bang!
Time out.
Baseline 59 seconds. Score 25-22 in favor of Bulacan. 30 seconds remaining. Inbound. Pass to number 8. Number 15. Traveling. May kasama pa sa Bangarisas. Didiskarte. ISO. Humihingi ng ISO. 34. Tower move. Pass to number 11. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. 8 seconds. 5. And to the first half. The score 25-22 in favor of Bulacan.
Third. First up again.
Number 15. Pass sa number 15. 15, patas. Basta malipat. Tawag mo, bitangan ko yung kusog tayo ang Bulacau. Steal. Pass over moves. Pass sa number 15. Jumper is no good. Rebound by number 34. Bangarisas. Bullet pass sa number 12. Libre, pwede pang sumakay. 2 points. 15 kusog tayo. Your step. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound. Number 1. Power move. Sumalpal. There's a foul. Foul number 15. Number 11. Jumper. Rebound. Taas kay Kasway. Put back. 2 points. Pass yung number 19. Stingy defense. Pilit kayo. Libre. 2 points.
24-29.
29-24. Bulacau, Labaw. By foul. Harap gusto tayo. 1 versus 2. 2 versus 2. No good. Rebound. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Hesi. Good. Tumira ng tres. Sueltes. Number 9. Boom. Sapal by Bostic. Sabrina. 2 points.
Low, pito so.
Rebound, libre.
Alice 29.
Hanap Bulacau. What a game! Semifinal. Fundos. Sponsored by La Fortuna Hotel. 2 minutes and 49. 2 minutes and 49. 25, pass for number 3. 2:30 remaining. Jump wala. Lumabas. Tumira. Pasok sa banga. Technical foul number 34 of Bulacau and number 3 of Lawan. Rest 2 minutes. Rest 2 minutes, bro. Number 6, kusog tayo. Nelang Medya, di ka makagtuha. Tulo. Nalumos sa depensa sa Lawan. Drop. Pass to number 29. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Lawan. Grabe yung depensa. Murahog. Goal to seal. No more time out.
Time out. Score.
Fair play lang guys. Number 15. Grabe ka. Shifting. There's a 1-1 and 2 points. Timeout. Remaining time, 1 minute and 45. Nabilang silang dua, maupan na sila. Uy, gising ko lang maupan. Jump ball. Stationary. Grabe, swift hard defense.
Nice one.
Grabe. Steal.
Nice one.
2 points. Para pipigilan ng Bulacau ang paglaro. Pass, 2 points by number 19. To the running number 1, 40 seconds. Remain time, 40 seconds. Time. Okay, substitution.
34 seconds.
Grabe, walay kapasahan. Bullet pass. Floater, no good. Rebound, number 6. May bumagsak. Bakit kaya bumagsak? So, 92 points! Replay, CCTV. Sa'yo na hitabo.
Cut.
14 segundos. Jeez! 5 Traveling! Segundos! 4 segundos ang oras. Nakabilang sa oras. And the third quarter score 33-38 in favor of Lawan. Number 1. Grabe ng stinky defense. Grabe ang depensa. Pilit kayong depensa. Murang goal kasi number 24. No good. Rebound by number 9. That's a foul. Foul number 11. 3-ball river. The lockout 2-on-2 situation. Follow slide block. Out of bounds. Penetration, 2 points by number 1. Drop ball, drop sa pula. What a move! No good. Second attempt, there's a foul. Substitution. Foul number 20. 44 segundos. Good.
36-38.
Pass to number 9, number 49. Pass number 1, making a play, crossover move, screen, pass number 12, super layup, 2 points! Nice score! Power move by number 11, 2 points! Change play ball!
40-38.
Up by 2. Number 25 to 15, super layup! Semi-final round. Jumper number 15. Kusog tayo. Ako na lang super layup. Still by number 15.
Pizza.
Backs out, power move. Pass na naman diba, tumira ng 3, pasok hindi. Number 11. Tayo na sa Giovanni. Number 11. Number 11, pasok. Foul. Foul number 1 of Lawan. Alice. Free throw plus ball possession.
Guales 40.
Ang mga dura, 19 paso 34, steal, almost a steal, lupigit, dara, ang number 25 sa lawaan, super glue, na murang super glue, okay, super glue, turnover, almost a turnover, crossover moves, that sticky defense,
Oh, stepping pa dyan.
Pensan, Bulldog Super Glue. Bola sa Balanga, 34. Kusog kayo mga Risas. Paso na mo. 2 versus 3 situation. Over. Number 15. Kusog kayo, Wiley. Aluya, Super Chelly. Chelly, sila over. 11. Kusog kayo, 2 versus 1. Paso number 1. Tumira ng boss. 2 por 2.
43-41.
Up.
43-40.
Number 9, nakawala! 2 points! The Blur! By 7 segundos. Number 15.
42-43.
Gusto ng isolation. Switch. Crossover moves. Speed move. Fake. Jerry Mugger. La. 19. Wala ka. 34, bullet pass, bulletproof. May pa-Euro step, Pinoy step. 3 ball na ball. Bullet pass, ang lakas, pass to the grabe ka. Stay by number 14, Ibarira. Ang galing tumala. Foul. 78, stay by number 15. Taas na 30s, Chapel Dogo. Darang number 34 Bacarisas. Nakita ko na sa aking steal again, approaching. Number 9, 2 boys, easy.
43, 46.
There's a foul, there's a foul.
43, 46.
No good. Rebound. Nawad. Bumuntas. Tamang dua. Asa sa lawas. Lakers. Tumira ng press. No good. Rebound. Super rebound. Step in the line. 7-6. Passes number 25. Last what a game! The semifinal between Bulacau versus Lawa. Remaining time 1 minute and 45. Number 15, Euro step, Pinoy step. Number 6, Kusod Fire, stay. Grabe, may ilugan galing Lawan. Nailugan na siya, oras 1:30. 1:30. Shot clock 15. Number 15, the man to shoot. Fake, extra pass, extra nice, no good. Rebound by number 19. 1 minute and 9. Power move, extra pass number 6. Reverse layup is no good. Time remaining 1 minute. 1 minute. Number 9. No good. Rebound. Rebound by number 6. 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. 30 seconds. 10 to shoot. Double dribble substitution. Substitution. Time remaining.
35, ay 36, 33.
Rebound.
Uy, Stilo! Last one!
Steal.
Four!
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
38, 33.
20 seconds. Target. Malas yun. Malas. Who's steal? There's a steal. Okay. Oops. Number 1. Penalty. Seconds.
Nice!
Congratulations. Bulacau did not go yet. Now we will have the awarding of the bronze medal. State Hunts players, a nice game. Bulacau.